The local organization, Cecil Solidarity, held a taillight repair clinic on Saturday in Northeast. Faulty taillights, license plate lights, and other safety issues can result in the unpleasant experience of being pulled over by law enforcement, which can result in being issued a repair order or other complications.
I'm Christine Gibbons from Cecil Solidarity, and we are here today to help people that do not have the means or the ability to be able to go get their taillights fixed. We're doing the things for free. A lot of times you see a lot of traffic stops where people are getting pulled over for taillights, and it turns into, from one thing, into something completely different, especially for black and brown people. So we're here to help stop that from happening, prevent that from happening here in Cecil by offering our free services and our time and our effort to help people and give back to the community.
According to data obtained from the Governor's Office of Crime Control and Prevention, the Cecil County Sheriff's Office and town police departments reported over 2,600 equipment-related traffic stops in 2019.